to this pitch.
Beautifully carved in the gap for a 4 to get off the mark. What a start here for Naneshwar and the Tungabhadra Warriors. Cries of catch it wide of the fielder at point. That'll be 4. Prashant gets off the mark. Very lucky there. Cut away. Misfield. And the fielder will have to give up that chase. That's the second 4 of the over. Good end to it as well.
The batters busy. This is what we've been talking about. Going down the ground might be tough. Excellent effort there. Never easy when the ball is coming over your shoulder. Captain Hemant Reddy there at extra cover.
And it was never going to be an easy pouch here for the captain. He had to run backwards, turn around, and then really time that dive, or maybe just try coming underneath it. This is high. It's got a lot of height. And one bounce, it'll trickle away for a 4. Measured hit, calculated. No slip. That'll race away for a 4. Third up in the circle. They say when you slash very hard. Lovely hit. Hold your pose, Naneshwar. This is how you like to get your shots going in the ground. Cut away. And that's been pouched. Spectacular. Pinnati Tejaswi has plucked a blinder. Naneshwar cannot believe his eyes, and Raju strikes in his first over.
Once again, probably hit it smack in the center of the bat. And Tejaswi, the fielder there, getting it smack in the center of his palms. An impressive fielder. Another disappointment for Gyaneshwar. Raju is thrilled.
Then they lost the wicket of Gyaneshwar. That's a half-tracker. Bowled wonderfully for 4. You can't bowl this kind of delivery. It's a free hit. It's a freebie.
With the batting ball did he have? Tries to caress that to the leg side. The fielder will only watch it sail to a boundary. These are welcome runs here for the Tungabhadra Warriors. And a welcome hit to Hemant Reddy as well.
Oh, that's nicely hit. Wonderful hit. Mahip has a good player. It was in his arc. It went out of the park. Wonderful hitting. It was in the slot and really made full use of it. After 7.
And that was the GMR 6 of the match. Last ball of the over in the previous one. And a fantastic over as well. Just nicely picked that up, Mahip, the captain.
They need to... That's a wonderful hit. It is for another maximum, GMR maximum. Look at that. It was in the arc. It was in the slot.
Why wait? Let's contribute, he says. And he does the exact same thing. Picks that length up really quickly. Goes down on one knee and dispatches that over for a... Yeah, he's picked that up once again. And it goes for yet another GMR 6 of the match. So far, a pretty expensive over. 15 runs have come off it.
Oh, nicely played, beautifully played. Another boundary. They're dealing in boundaries. They're dealing in 6s. Oh, there is Nitish Kumar Reddy. Up in the air, up. Another maximum, GMR maximum. He's dealing in 6s. Prashant, after 9, 82 for 1. Tungabhadra Warriors. That is very... Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a huge GMR 6. Look at him. It was in the slot and smashed over long on for a huge GMR.
Yeah, the current run rate, they can get 170. Definitely will qualify for the...
But that's what I'm saying. Oh, that's a sheer bad fielding. That's absolutely misfielded. Look at him. He's not. He doesn't seem to be happy.
Ball up in the air. Has he got enough connection? Long on circling. Long on takes it. The skipper. The cool, calm and Hemant Reddy pouching that one.
Skipper Hemant Reddy does a good job there. Big stride forward. Didn't get the elevation that he wanted. And a very good catch. Underline coming back strongly. Yeah, will be runs. They're just turning it, playing it very fine. Starting with a 4 here. Rohit, nicely played. Good wrist work shown by him.
Trying to go over extra. And Mahip is a high quality player. Clean hit. The 241st six.
Great timing as well, just getting elevation, making room for himself. Lovely hands as well from the skipper Mahib. Moving into the 40s now. Quality shot from a quality batter. It's gone the distance.
Tries best to get underneath a ball just like this one. Hasn't got decent connection. Long on interested. Long on takes it. A huge moment in this inning. Shravan, the fielder.
As well. The skipper Mahib going for the big one. Didn't get hold of that one. Went high up in the air as well. And Shravan, a very safe pair of hands. He's delighted. He's pepped up there. The skipper himself. Live action. That's in the air. But that's going to be the gap as well. That's going to be a 4. Lovely strike. Bowling a touch shot to just be on the occasion.
Once again a half tracker. Has he got enough of it? No. Finds Raju there at deep mid wicket. Wickets really tumbling. 4th wicket down now for the Warriors.
Deep as well. Yeah, this time didn't get hold of that one. Man station. They earlier got a boundary. But this time straight in the hand. On the onside. That's a cracking shot. That's going to be really a lovely shot as well. That's going to be a boundary to end the over. Oh, over the top. That's a good strike. That's a lovely strike. Lovely connection gone all the way as well. That's a maximum, as they say.
But how good was that shot? Excellent shot. Again, back of length delivery by the skipper. Waited on that one.
Oh, lovely, lovely. It is up in the air, and up and over. Satyanarayan Datta. Satyanarayan Raju is going to bowl. It's up in the air, and gone. Sasikant goes. That's another big wicket. Lost 99 for 1, and then they lost away. Back to back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 wickets have gone.
Nicely bowled. What a well-directed bouncer. That's curtains as well. Great piece of cricket here by Bhimavaram Bulls. Revanth Reddy behind was ready. Another peach of a delivery by Satyanarayan Raju. Another wicket.
What I've been saying. He change of pace, short of length balls, and he ran, turned and ran, and he's not even in the frame. Guy, that's the last ball of the 18th over. Very good over. Only 3 runs conceded in this over. After 18, 151 for 6. Tungabhadra Warriors.
And this means the Tungabhadra Warriors will finish on 151 for 6.
Ganeshwar, they started off very well. Partnership of 38 between Ganeshwar and Prashant Kumar. And then Prashant and Mahip had a good partnership of 60 runs. Talk about the bowling. Satyanarayan Raju was a pick of the bowlers, 4 overs, 15 runs, and picked up 2 wickets. 1 wicket each to Siva.
Run chase now. Goes on the onside, slightly short, man the deep. Will carry it off. Lovely effort there. Excellent effort in the deep. Anand Joshi was the fielder. Cutting it off beautifully on that occasion and very quickly releasing the ball as well. Oh, castling. Just tossing it. Beautifully bowled as well by Saurav. Getting that early wicket, playing all over that one by him.
Yeah, we spoke about how it's the arm ball trying to play across that line there. You got to go with it, and Saurabh will be rewarded.
Line. Oh, once again castled here. A marker has to go back. Wickets are tumbling here for the Bulls. They are in a spot of bother. Nicely bowled by Sasikant.
Yeah, he waited for that. A thick inside edge, off the pads and straight on to that leg stump. You got a feel for him, but well bowled. Advances down the wicket, cuts it really nicely, and a boundary here. They were waiting for something. They were waiting to lose the shackles, and they've done that. He needed one more. This time, straight to the fielder. A nice catch taken by Prashant. Super stuff here from the Tungabhadra Warriors. And the Bhimavaram Bulls.
Over the top. There was a fielder stationed that long gone. Takes that one. Very nicely pouched that one. Prashant was the fielder.
Bowling. Oh, that's a near one. Yes. Yes, picks up another wicket.
And this is why he's here.
He went for a sweep, missed the line completely and was plumb in front. Umpire the fourth also. Oh, there he goes again. Another wicket goes down. It's wicket number 3 to Saurav Kumar. Although he's gone for the review, gone to the third umpire. Oh yeah. He's a goner. I mean, how can you step out on the first ball itself when you know the 4 wickets are out, given by the third umpire, which is a right decision.
Back player Suresh Kumar in operation, a neatly deft touch there. Waited for the ball. A nice handy 4 runs here.
When you're on top, stumps and cleaned him up. Absolutely through the gate. Came back with the arm and was cleaned up. Munish right home about as a batter. Look at that. Oh, beaten all ends up. He didn't have a clue.
Oh, over the top. That's a lovely strike. Down the ground. That's a much needed boundary. Boundary coming out of 20-foot deliveries.
Suresh gets an inside edge. This could well and truly be another boundary as it races away for a 4. 1 in front of the wicket, 1 behind the wicket. 8 runs in the 2 deliveries coming in handy here. Cut away. Firmly struck. Work to do for the fielder in the deep. He's not able to stop that. That's the 3rd consecutive 4. So Shravan's turning it on. He's putting a fight back. Another short delivery. That's been pulled away and fiercely hit. That was a ferocious hit, I must say. Unbelievable power in his strokes.
Oh, that's in the air. That's gone the distance as well. First 6 of this innings coming from the blade of Sathwik. Bowling short and down the leg as well and picked up beautifully. Another GMR 6.
Yeah, this gets things interesting now. Just putting the pressure back on the fielding side. That's nicely played in the gap. Waited on this one. Steers it down for a 4. This is turning out to be a very good partnership. The momentum building here for the chasing side. Back live, that's high up in the air. Fielder coming underneath. Spectacular, not really. He got there, he almost pouched it. And on impact with the ground, it just bounced out of his hand. Naneshwar there in the deep.
As well, Yaneshwar was the fielder. Yeah, just circling, coming underneath, getting his hands as well, going with both hands and settling for a couple of runs. I think looks to be in pain. Yaneshwar, you see that attempt there. Once again down the ground, that's happened. The fielders out there, but they are going to be mere spectators. They can't do too much. Another GMR 6 coming. 50-run partnership up between the two. Well, really a good pickup shot there, beautifully picked up, picking up the length in the slot for him, but they have to be dispatched. And does that in style here, Sathwik.
The 7th wicket partnership worth 50, unconquered, unbeaten at the moment. 6. This one's hit ferociously and it's into the crowd. Back-to-back 6s. This is a great shift in momentum.
We saw him off the front foot this time, off the backward, rocking back, transferring his weight, and that's a mighty one as well into the stands there. Everyone coming here, they have really enjoyed themselves. That's over the top. Just see that shot. That's one of the best shots we have seen this evening from the lead of Shravan. First 6 for him. 19 runs coming in this over.
3 powerful strikes. Pure perfect exhibition of powerful striking. Wow. This man can bat, Shravan. He's putting on a show. Another full delivery. This one's up and over. Goes the distance as well. This is the 4th home run. And these are massive hits to the fence.
Almost a repeat of the earlier 6 over the cover region. He's a special talent. He's a really good batter as well. Great timing and getting the result that he wanted. 25 runs of this over.
What an innings. What a way to get to your 50 in a chase. He's a master. And even NKR stands up to applaud what's been an innings of very high caliber and pedigree. 29 runs coming off over number 14. The 100 comes up as well. Excitement in the dugout for the Bhimavaram Bulls. It's 102 for 6. Cracking hit. Don't bother running. That's 4 more. And that's Shravan for you. He's going to pile on the runs and the pressure on the fielding side.
Well, he strikes this time, and that's gone with power. Overcovers. Another GMR 6 of the match.
Well, we've seen both the batters prefer that offside area. This time, Satvik really going deep in the crease and clean extension of the hands. Trying to aim for that tram line, did Sasikant.
Yeah, this is a slow delivery. Gets off the bat, will run away for a boundary. Everything off his bat.
Ball up in the air. Has he got hold of it? And is that curtain for the Bhimavaram Bulls? Brahmateja, the fielder.
Story. A nice bouncer. He was way back. Didn't really time it well. Didn't really pick that up. And it's finally worked. They know how important this wicket was. 30 runs. He's connected this one, but I think a fielder is there who'll take the catch. Anand Josia takes a catch. The end.
Well, it's been that kind of a night. Procession before that partnership and procession after that partnership. Tejaswi.
All balls going out of the park. This could be the first one, but it'll only be a boundary. He needs sixes on every ball. And now the Tungabhadra Warriors will know that they've done the job. Oh, that is big. There is a fielder coming under it. Saurabh will just watch it sail over. Well, these are just complimentary runs and go home.
Well, he needed 5 of them in this last over. He's got one finally. But it's been late for the Bhimavaram Bulls. Just been that kind of a night for them. Really uncertainty place. And the Tungabhadra Warriors will come out trumps. Another 6 to finish the innings. Shravan has been brilliant in this chase. 250th 6 of the league. But you'll have to tip your hat and take a bow, Saurabh Kumar.
Well, yes, what a fantastic win. Toshit Yadav has a smile as well. A good over from him.
The Bhimavaram Bulls, in reply and pursuit of their 152 runs, it was a procession at one point in time. It read 28 for the loss of 6 wickets. Then that partnership.
Look at the bowling department. There was one man there, Saurabh Kumar. 4 overs, 17 dot balls, 4 wickets. He's the pick of the lot with an economy of 1.75. Remember, Tungabhadra Warriors, 151 for 6, and then the Bhimavaram Bulls came back really well. 13 runs for them. Well then, we're building up to the presentation.
Saurabh Kumar of the Tungabhadra Warriors joins us for this edition of APL TV. Saurabh भाई क्या performance थी यार. ऐसे जो figures है मैं पढ़ता हूँ, 4 overs, 7 runs conceded, 4 wickets. यार ये टेस्ट मैच क्रिकेट में भी देखने को मिलते नहीं है, let alone T20 क्रिकेट. How did you feel about your performance?
अच्छा फील हो रहा है और थोड़ा मतलब स्कोर हम लोगों ने ठीक किया था क्योंकि हल्का सा स्टिकी था विकेट. हम लोगों ने बैटिंग अच्छी करी, लेकिन ऐसे टोटल पे एक्चुअली थोड़ा विकेट निकालना ज़रूरी रहता है. तो मेरा माइंडसेट यही था कि मैं कोशिश करूँगा शुरू में विकेट निकाल के दूँ. तो वो निकलते रहे, फिर कोशिश यही रही कि फिर 4 ओवर अपने ख़त्म कर देता हूँ. और क्योंकि 4 ओवर में अगर मैं 3-4 विकेट निकाल के देता हूँ तो मैच शायद आधा वहीं ख़त्म हो जाए.
और एक पॉइंट ऐसा था जब आप लोग के पास एडवांटेज था, वो लोग 60 ऑड फॉर 6 थे, उस समय ऐसा लगा यू हैड द गेम इन द बैग. लेकिन सात्विक और श्रवण ने बहुत अच्छी पार्टनरशिप की, भीमावरम बुल्स को होप भी मिला. तब आप लोग प्रॉब्ली प्रेशर एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे थे. तो टीम में स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट में आप लोग क्या चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे थे?
उस टाइम पे प्रेशर तो फील होता ही है क्योंकि ये गेम ऐसा है कि बहुत जल्दी ऊपर नीचे होता है. तो उस टाइम पे स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट में यही हुआ कि ट्राई मतलब थोड़ा कटर डालने की कोशिश करो और जो कर रहे हैं अच्छा उसी पे ध्यान दो, कुछ अलग से ज़्यादा नहीं ट्राई करना.
और आपके बॉलिंग पार्टनर स्टीवन भाई हमें ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज ही इज़ बिजी राइट नाउ इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम एंड ही डिजर्व्स दैट ब्रेक ऑल्सो. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बॉलिंग की, अ वर्ड ऑन हिज परफॉर्मेंस.
उसने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग करी एक्चुअली. उसने जो लास्ट ओवर डाला है वो बहुत ही अपने एक्सपीरियंस के साथ उसने अच्छी मैच्योरिटी और उस टाइम पे क्या ज़रूरत थी उस ओवर पे स्लोअर वंस डाली उसने, सारी बॉलें दूर रखा बॉल थोड़ा, तो उसने बहुत अच्छा ओवर डाला. शायद वहीं से वो मैच वहीं ख़त्म हो गया था उस ओवर के बाद.
और आपके टीम के लिए ये जो जीत थी, दिस वाज मच नीडेड. तो अब आपको फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द सीजन कितना कॉन्फिडेंस देगी ये जीत?
एक्चुअली 2 मैच हारने के बाद थोड़ा मतलब ये जीतना ज़रूरी था अभी क्योंकि अभी 2 मैच बाकी हैं और हम लोग क्वालिफाई की रेस में हैं, तो ये वाली जीत बहुत ज़रूरी थी।
सौरभ भाई, तुंगभद्रा के फैंस को, आपके फैंस को कोई मैसेज इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में, तेलुगु में, योर लैंग्वेज ऑफ चॉइस, आप मिक्स करना चाहें मिक्स करके भी कह सकते हैं।
नहीं, अच्छा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तुंगभद्रा वॉरियर्स को और ऐसे ही करते रहिए और हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे अच्छा खेलेंगे।
Lovely. Well played, champion. Go well for the rest of the tournament. Cheers.